presenting the Mi Poco X3. The phone comes in color options of blue, cobalt blue, and shadow grey. The phone has display of 16.94 cm, 6.67 inch, and resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels. The phone also has full HD Plus display. It comes with 6000 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. It has expandable up to 512 GB and expandable memory up to 512 GB. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and PU Adreno 618 display type Full HD Plus display. It also features proximity sensor, Bluetooth, and fingerprint scanner. USB, face unlock and Gorilla Glass. The delivery box contains handset, power adapter and USB Type-C data cable. Phone cover, SIM ejector tool and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.